and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This is the number 24, guys. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like dollhouses, make sure to leave a like down below. And one more thing before we get into this, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman's channel called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the ink cards. And well, guys, let's go. Let's get into this. Okay, guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style. Enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 24. If you are interested in seeing the previous 23, all you have to do is check out the in cards in the end of the video. And down below we see how the dollhouse will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is made by Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures that I unboxed. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure to check out the playlist in my channel. And well, we're gonna open this up. And here it says, Kitchen of Silver. And here it shows you all of the pieces of the kitchen. Very cool. And here it talks about the tea kettles and like the coffee makers and boilers and things that were made, of course, out of silver. Like the one you can see there. Have a little tea kettle there. Another there. And here it shows you how to glue the paper to the little wooden piece that we got. It shows you how to do everything here. And guys, no worries, once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each and every one of these steps. We are really going to be building the dollhouse together, and it's gonna be really awesome. Tell me, guys, what do you think? I am really excited about it. I can't wait to build it with you guys. Tell me down in the comments below, what do you guys think about this collection? I'm really just excited to put it together. For me, it's just really awesome. And well, guys, that's the end of that. And now it's time to check out our new little additions to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, guys, so now it's time to check out this little wooden piece that we got. It's just like the other ones that we've gotten in this collection. It's like that weird mix between cardboard and wood. It smells good though. I can't wait till we have the house completed. It's gonna be really cool. It's just a regular cardboard wood piece, Frankenwood. But well, I'm gonna put this to the side and I'm gonna show you these other two. Let me just pick this up. Okay, so we got one. So we got two of these. This is the first one. It has like this tiling on the bottom, and then like this wood, like grain type thing on the top. And it's really pretty. And again, guys, this is like really nice thick paper. This is pretty cool. And then on the other side is just blank, because this is the side we're gonna glue to the house later. And well, I'm gonna show you the other one, which is just the same. Oop. There you go. There you go. It looks pretty cool. I really like it. But well, I'm gonna put it down here. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit that bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also, guys, make sure to go on over, as I said before, to subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Cartoonero. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, and I wouldn't be able to make these videos without his help. So make sure to go on over and subscribe and tell him thank you from me. But I will have his links not only down in the description below, but in the end cards. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye.